Hi, I'm Caroline Dunn with Wahsega. A common problem that I see today in schools is teachers trying to teach from behind plexiglass or while wearing a cloth mask. And student learning is suffering simply because the students can't hear the teacher. Fortunately, Wahsega has a plug-and-play solution that includes this off-the-shelf microphone, a Wahsega speaker, and our sound reinforcement panel. No amp is necessary. Now let me turn on my sound reinforcement panel. And now you can hear my voice amplified through the Wahsega speaker, also Wahsega IP display. This works with both wireless or wired off-the-shelf microphones. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need help, I will provide a link below to contact one of our Wahsega Solutions advisors. For Wahsega, I'm Caroline Dunn.